Hey guys, it's Jeremy with Dragonsmith Glassworks. We got something special for you today. We're finally going to show you the video of the piece we're going to be giving away for our big giveaway for the 4th of July weekend. Remember, you can enter to win. We're actually going to change the dates of the entry posts. Normally we put those up on Fridays, but to make this synergize better with the YouTube videos, we're going to start making our entry posts every Tuesday. So when we post on our Facebook the link to the current video, which will actually be this one, that's going to be the post that you'll like and share and comment on to be entered to win the piece that we're going to be giving away. And I think once you see this piece, you're going to be really excited and you're going to want to win. So there's no purchase necessary, nothing like that. It's just a simple matter of being entered to win by liking, commenting, and sharing the post. And don't forget, the YouTube channel needs to be at 500 subscribers before we actually do the giveaway. So while we're hoping to pull this off by 4th of July weekend, which is a totally doable thing, it needs to be at 500 subscribers first. On a side note, a lot of you were messaging me asking me about the hoodies and t-shirts I wear with my logo on them. If you get an up-close shot of this, it might be a little tricky, but that is our dragon doing a self-portrait blowing a dragon stem goblet with a pair of Parchovies in his hand. So if you want one of these, we do sell them. They are on our Etsy store right now. The link is in the description. At the end of the video, we'll show you the piece we're going to be giving away. Well, it's one of the pieces we're going to be giving away. It's actually a set. So the big piece is what we're going to be showing you today. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. Enjoy. I hope you like it. Thanks a lot. And there we have the finished piece, guys. So this is what we're going to be giving away for our big 4th of July giveaway this year. This is a dichroic picture with an iris blue reduction handle and lip wrap. And we're going to be giving away, along with it, a set of drinking glasses. And this is the design we're going to be using for that. So this sort of dip lip, oh, sorry about that, this sort of dip lip color on the top, glass on a otherwise clear glass. So it was a lot of fun making this. I hope you enjoyed watching it being made and see how much work actually goes into a piece like this. We cut about 20 to 25 minutes of the making of this album. Mostly that was reheats. I don't think I cut out any of the steps needed to make this piece. This came straight out of the box just a few minutes ago. We just finished annealing it. You can even see up along the rim there's little bits of fiber fracks from the annealer still stuck to it. Those will get brushed off before this is given away. We're going to be putting this on display with a sign that says "Win Me, Ask Me How" from now until we give it away. So if you come to one of our shows, we'll be here in Oklahoma until the end of May, beginning of June, and then we'll be in Kentucky into and through the 4th of July weekend. So if you come to one of our shows and want to take a look at it in person, it'll be there for you to see. All right, folks, I really hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like and subscribe. We do need to get this channel to 500 subscribers before we do the giveaway. So just click that subscribe button, and there'll be a couple more videos in the corner for you if you want to see some other pieces. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.